Hi there, today I will be guiding it through how can you use Gemini for earning money. With the help of Gemini, you can earn money on different platforms, whether you are a YouTuber or you have a Facebook page. Even if you have an Instagram account, with the help of Gemini, you can earn money from different platforms. And now I will show you how you can do it. First, in the Google search bar, search for Gemini. After searching for it on the top, you will see the main website for Gemini. Click on it and get access of it. But if your account is not signed in, then sign in your account, and it's the first interface which you will see after signing in your account. Now time to use Gemini for earning money. As I said, you can earn money from different platforms using Gemini because it's an AI tool which will help you to write a script for YouTube videos, and even you can generate keywords plus text. But if you have a Facebook page, then with the help of Gemini, you can write a brief description for your video plus hashtag which will be trending, and how it will be helpful for Instagram you can create a poster with the help of Gemini for your post. Even it can generate tags, hashtag, and can tell you about trending things on Instagram. Like, I am a YouTuber and I want to create video, but I only know the title of the video and I don't know anything. So you have to write, I am a YouTuber and I want to write a script based on this title. So write the whole separate prompt from my video. So let me write. Once you write the whole prompt, as you see, last thing I ask, try to generate the script in a human writing, so it won't look AI. After writing, I will hit submit. Then it will analyze my prompt, and here you can see it. Write the script of 5 lines based on my data. After getting the script, I will ask Gemini, write a description for this video and suggest me the best keywords. So let me write each in single, then hit submit. Now, here is the brief description from my video, and these are the title for my video which I can use. If I scroll down, here are the written hashtag for YouTube. So with the help of Gemini, you can earn money on different platforms, your YouTube or for Instagram. Just write the prompt like me, and then let Gemini do everything for you. And that's it.